body's your addiction. Your touch is my affliction.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Kiadra. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can always know when I post a new video. Period. And that's just how I'm there. But yeah, I'm just working, creating content as usual. So today, I'm officially gonna take this shit off my head. I'm gonna be installing my new wig. So I'm gonna do my hair, I'm gonna do my makeup, and we're gonna film some content, and then we're gonna get to work. I like to do that type of stuff first to get it over with, because everything else is gonna be real chill. So then I get to change, take off the makeup, you know, take me a shower, wind down, maybe have me a glass of wine, and then I get to write in my journal, you know, get to check off everything I did take care of for today in my notes, and everything that I didn't, just move it over to the next day. Just write down content and everything else, you know, just organization is key. I'm just to get ready to take this shit out. I don't know, y'all. I'm stuck in between the two. I guess I'll talk to y'all as y'all watch me take this out. My little quick weave. My body never even get a chance to reinstall this because I might have so many wigs, so many sponsorships. Any type of old hair I can just give away to my sisters or sell it. Period. Bow, nigga. Make them pay for it. Stuff like you can't. Hey.
Now, I'ma just hope y'all ain't paying attention as much as I'm paying attention. With that being said, don't judge my little boss spot. If y'all been rocking with me from the beginning, then y'all know my famous hair color was that honey blonde. And I dyed my hair honey blonde for the last time a year ago. And when I did it, I left it on too long. And I was under my hair dryer and it fried my hair. And ever since, my hair has been struggling to grow back on that side. But I'm getting it together. It's a work in progress. So I've been trying to stay away from hairstyles that can pull my hair and have it too tight so I can let it grow back. So that's why I'm in this phase of wearing wigs and doing like quick weaves and sew-ins and things like that. Lord knows I want me some braids or some twists and so bad. And I still am. And what about it? And what about it? Still gonna get some braids.
This is definitely a moisturizer that keeps on giving. Big ass dinner.
My channel is Diamond Dime, and then my cafe is Rolling. And comment under this video, it's a vlog. Okay, that's what we love, girl support girl. Yes, and I'm always looking for a black girl.
So right here, guys, I'm just using my hot comb to press and melt the lace. In my opinion, it is better to use because it's more harder and firmer than like a rat tail comb, like how everyone else use. And FYI, the hot comb is not hot. I'm just using it to press and melt down my lace. So this is a famous trick that someone taught me, is to always make sure that you spray some type of got-to-be glue or some type of spritz on your lace and then tie it down so that you can have a more melted skin look. You're welcome, sweets. Make for sure that you cut off your excess lace, ladies. You do not want that lace to be showing. You want to have a more natural skin look. After you cut off your lace, spray you some more got-to-be glue and tie it down so you can continue melting.
So my phone is down here. This is where I'm recording my TikToks on from down here. I have y'all a little more up away from my desk so that I can still use my desk down here. So this is where I'm recording my TikToks at. I actually use some of this edge control in my hot comb to do the top, and that's why it looks so smooth and good at the top. I'm just use my new crimpers to crimp into a bob. So this is just to be real cute. A lot of motherfuckers told me I couldn't do a lot of shit, and I'm doing way more shit than they could ever think that they. Come on, bro. I ain't even gotta say that. I'll just say this. But I use this edge control because I don't have no wax stick, what they normally use. Cause y'all know I'm new to this. If you don't know, I am new to this. This is my first time really installing and cutting and doing like my whole wig like myself. No, for the first time. My first time I ever purchased a wig, I paid $400 for it. And I let my sister cut it. I let my sister cut it and do all of that to it.
Baby, it didn't work. It was an epic fail. And that's just that on that. So yeah, your girl decided to just go ahead and do bone straight. a lot of my supporters have been inboxing me, asking me to teach them how to do their own hair and makeup. And I really appreciate the fact that y'all have been loving my journey of me doing my own hair and makeup. So I decided to go ahead and start taking this a little bit more serious for you guys. And I'm going to be doing more videos like this. I'm going to be giving out more information, as much information as possible. And I'm going to be doing this for the growers, period. The baddies on a budget, because baby, hair is expensive, makeup is expensive, and everybody want to look their best. Everybody want to feel good, and that's mainly what it's all about. Girl power over here, period, and it's just that on that. So with that being said, more videos like this will be coming, and I appreciate y'all for supporting me. Thank y'all.
Let me play on my TikTok. Hopefully I'll be then posted by the time I post this video. If I don't, then I'm not gonna show y'all. I'm gonna take it out. And my camera's going dead and I gotta charge my camera. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can always know when I post a new video. And I'll catch you guys in the next vlog. Thank you. Bye.